Hi guys, I'm back again. Day 6 was kind of India's day, right? We did really well, especially Atanu Das defeating the Korean in that shoot off. I'm sure all of you had your heart pumping, but that's what that's what sports is about. And to know more about Olympic sports, the schedule, the results, controversies, news, medal winners, and more about the medal winners, you have to subscribe to Sports Addiction. Why haven't you done that yet? Please do it as soon as possible. Today I'm here to tell you that on day 7, India can actually win 3 medals. Exactly, we won our first medal in Olympics 2020 thanks to Mirabai Chanu on day 1. The first time ever that India has won a medal on day 1 of Olympics. Now on day 7, we can actually win 3 medals. Who are these? And you know what? The first medal, Mirabai Chanu, was a woman. And even on day 7, all 3 medal contenders are women. First of all, we have shooting, the women's 25 meter pistol. The first qualification round was on day 6, which was qualification precision, and on day 7 it will be the qualification rapid fire. Now the points from qualification rapid fire and from qualification precision, out of these 2 rounds, top 8 will go to the finals, and these finals will happen on day 7 itself, so we can get a medal. And after the quality precision round, Manu Bhaker has actually done really well with 292 points, and she is on the 5th spot. Rahi Sharnobat is at the 25th position with 287 points. Now you might be thinking that for Rahi it's next to impossible, but do not forget that for Rahi, quality rapid fire is actually her strength round. This is the round in which she always does much better. Also, Manu Bhaker is in a solid 5th position after after qualification precision round. We need to watch out for Manu Bhaker. We have been building Manu Bhaker up, and I know she has received a lot of criticism. So maybe those criticisms will now be answered by her, and she will make a comeback, and high chances India can get their second medal. What is the other medal prospect? Well, none other than Deepika Kumari. Absolutely. In archery, women's individual round, her pre-quarters start at 6 a.m. in the morning. Do not miss this, because shooting qualification is generally not shown in Sony Live or in Sony TV network, but archery is always shown. So do support Deepika Kumari. Tune in at 6 a.m. That will be her pre-quarter round, and if she wins her pre-quarters, she goes into the quarterfinals, which will be played on the same day. And then if she wins her quarterfinal round, she goes to the semi-final, and then from semi-final to the medal round, obviously. And all these things will happen on day 7 itself. So there's the second medal for India. High chances. Keep cheering for Deepika Kumari. And what's the third one? Third one actually, if you ask me, is the easiest one, because easiest one as in Lovelina, the boxer, is at 8:48 a.m. she is going to play her quarterfinal match, and if she wins the quarterfinal match, she is assured of a medal, because in boxing, if you reach semifinals, you are sure of getting a bronze, and that is exactly what is going to be the case if Lovelina wins her match on day 7. So these are the 3 main important matches for all of us, the Indians. What are the rest of the matches? We should also look into those. So let's start very early in the morning. Remember, golf round 1 had started on day 6. So 4 a.m. on day 7, the events for India open with golf. men's individual round, Udayan Mane is at 60 after round 1 and Anirban Lahiri is at number 8 after round 1. So that will be the first event. Then we move on to 5 a.m. equestrian individual event. Fawad Mirza. Mirza is only the third Indian equestrian after Indrajit Lamba and Imtiaz Anis to secure an individual spot in eventing at the Olympic Games. So that starts at 5 a.m. At 6:17 a.m., it's men 3000 meters steeplechase Avinash Sable, round 1, heat 2. Then at 8:15 a.m., it's hockey women's team's pool match against Ireland. Remember, Indian women's team hasn't performed that well in this Olympics as yet. They have lost all 3 of their encounters and looks like it's going to be very tough to reach the quarterfinals from here. But at least they would like to get a win under their belt so that, at least they can bow out with a good morale. Moving on at 8:18 a.m., it's boxing women's lightweight round of 16. Simranjeet Kaur will be in action. When we talk about boxing, you have to remember that Mary Kom crashed out in the round of 16 match against Valencia. After losing the match, Mary actually didn't know for at least till her doping test that she had actually lost the match. And she was shattered because she believed that she had won the match, and she also believes that probably the judging was a bit unfair. Ordo has actually explained why is this judging probably unfair and why probably India has missed out, and all this can be watched in a video. Where will you find the video link? Simple, in the description below. Moving on at 8:27 a.m. it's men's 400 meter hurdles. MP Jabir will be taking part in round 1 heat 5. 8:35 a.m. it's sailing laser radial opening series race 9 and race 10. Retra Kumanan after race 8 is in the 31st position. Can she better her position? 8:35 a.m. again we have sailing men's skiff 49er opening series race 7, race 8 and race 9. K. Ganapati and Varun Thakkar after race 6, the Indian team is in the 17th position, which is not really great. 11:05 a.m. sailing laser opening series race 9 and race 10. Vishnu Saravanan is at 23 after race 8. 1:15 p.m. it's the all-important quarterfinals women's singles badminton. In badminton, there is only one player left from Indian contingent and obviously only one medal hope, none other than PV Sindhu. PV Sindhu will be taking on Japan's Akane Yamaguchi. If Sindhu beats Yamaguchi, she will go one step closer to the medal as she will move on to the semis. 3 p.m. it's men's hockey pool match again, but this time India will be playing against the hosts Japan. India has got 3 wins out of their 4 group matches and have sealed a quarterfinal spot. But you never want to lose a match, especially when your next match will be in quarterfinals. You want to go with a win. Last but definitely not the least, 4:42 p.m. mixed 4x400 meter relay, round 1, heat 2. So India will be taking part in 15 events on day 7 of Tokyo Olympics. To keep yourself updated with India's progress, the controversies about Indian athletes, their reactions, their medal chances, how India performs in a particular day, what is India's schedule, what are the medal chances, all this and much, much more, you have to subscribe to Sports Addiction. Just press the bell icon so that you get the notification every time we post a video. Also follow us on our Facebook page and on Instagram page to get real-time updates of India's progress in Olympics. Till then, stay home, stay safe, mask up, and please take care. Bye-bye.